Ooh, that's a really bad noise, man.
Yeah, so we had a customer come in his Tahoe, and it was making a pretty nasty bottom end noise.
Is that the rod bearing?
Generally speaking, it sounded definitely like it. I did send him to another shop for a complete diagnostic, just to be 100% certain that that was what it was, just because typically speaking with your vehicle, same thing with your doctors, we probably would want more than one observation.
Yeah, of course. What's something that someone could do to prevent this from happening?
Generally speaking, with the mileage of the vehicle, nothing much, but it really starts out right when you buy the vehicle. Preventative maintenance such as oil changes, fluid changes, coolant changes, all sorts of things like that can all help your engine last longer instead of coming to this point.